I'm opening the package that I got from UPS. Crazy, right? Yeah. So, what do we have here? You got a card reader with the USB. That's to read SD cards and compact flash cards, and also this is what I was looking for. It's a camera light. Let me pause this for like that. And the LED light on my camera. This is how bright it is. And if I take a photo with it, hold on a second. Crazy, right? This is with the video with the light on. Can't really see. Right? I'm gonna cut the light off. And this is taking the video with the light off. This is the light on. It's nice. I'm impressed. Pretty interesting. This is it when you're in the dark, and this is when you cut the little video light on. That's how nice it is. Oh, there's my mic. So I'm pretty impressed with this little light. It brightens it up. I like it. Very cool. Like, really. Nice. I like that. Okay, let's get back into this here. Okay. This is Wansen video light, LED video light. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. It's the battery charger. Has a battery in it, and this is it mounted up on my DSLR. Let y'all see that. That's what it looks like when it ain't on, and that's how bright it is when it's on. Like, really cool, man, cool.